So hi friends, in this video I'll tell you how to use your mobile phone as your webcam for your PC. So first we need to install a software. So for that, go to your browser and search for arian.com, this website. And so I am using a Windows PC, so click on this. So there are 3 versions available. There are versions available for Windows, Apple, MacBook and Ubuntu. So I am using Windows, so I am clicking on this Windows. So it's downloading. So a dialog like this will appear. Click on I accept agreement and click on next. And let it be like this and click on next and click on install. So first go to the Play Store or App Store and search for Arian, IRIUN, Arian, and open the first tab, Arian 4K webcam for PC and Mac, and click on install and it will be installed. When you launch the Arian app, it will come like this, and launch it on your mobile also. So it will automatically scan for the device connected to the same network. So it says connected to Samsung. So this is the phone. So you can see my video there in the PC. So here you can change the video quality. So like the maximum in this phone is 380/40 into 2160. So I'll take that. So if you want to get more videos like this, please consider. Looking good.